Let's get started assembling the X-Dock 63 or 6600 model. Remember, we'll start with the main unit, then we'll add the modules. You can increase the modules to 10 or you can decrease depending on space limitations. So we'll get started with the main control unit. For ease of assembly, place the unit face down on a table or workstation. First, loosen the two set screws on the bottom of the control module and remove this side plate. Next, remove the terminal block. Set the side plate, terminal block, and accessory bag to the side for final assembly. Remember, there are 4 pieces per accessory bag: 2 bottom plates with screws, 1 back plate with screw, and the very important black gas inlet connector. The back and bottom plates each use 2 screws to securely hold the modules together. Locate the half moon cutout and firmly insert the connector over the jets. And the black jet connector fits between each module. Remove the yellow security tape that is protecting the pin connectors. Next, install the back and bottom plates. Tighten with your hex or Allen wrench. These plates must be installed before connecting your modules. Once these steps are taken, then you can carefully add additional modules by aligning the components and tightening the screws. You will repeat these steps with each module. Once you have completed adding your modules, securely insert the black termination block over the gas jets of the last module. Then place the end plate of the last module and tighten the set screws and 3 remaining screws. Verify the plates are tightened and there are no spaces between the modules. The X-Dock is flexible, which allows you to increase or decrease the number of various modules.